lanes, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight.
What's up my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about home cleaning, home organizing, and a little bit of home decor. And if you like this type of content, you are in the right place. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And in today's video, I'm going to start by cleaning my common place, which is the kitchen. I'm going to wash these dishes,
I built tall, never capped,
organize this kitchen, clean the floor, then go to my living room. You guys will see. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like the video.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
The light was not that good here, but mtu ataendelea tu na Kenya kona. Anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel, start with what you have. God can come, anything can happen and your life change. So mi nitaendelea tu hivi hata kama inakaa dark. I know one day God atani bless na kila kitu ikuwe poa. Yeah, let us continue with this journey.
all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better.
Watu wangu, I did this paint on the shelves by myself. Nilijaribu hata kufanya at least nione kama naweza make kitu poa. Hata ikusoka vizuri because sikuwa na ile the paint that was suited for these shelves. I used the ones that they used on the walls. So I'll try to look for money. Nikijaribu kutafuta pesa ipatikane, I will transform my kitchen. And you guys, I know you love it. You people who support me, and I thank you all of you who supported me. Like watu wengi wanapenda ku like, mwingine ana subscribe all the way from the day I started this YouTube channel. Nawapenda sana. Now guys, let us continue subscribing so that naweza fika hata kama ni 200 subscribers. Stuck for 100 subscribers. Kindly my people, subscribe.
I ain't going back, I'm not.
Wow. Look at this table cooker. Maziwa imemwagika. Imekaukia hapo. What do you mean? Let me try to clean it, you guys. I will show you how this one will turn out to be clean. I have to scrub it using a soap. And yeah, I did not film all of it, but you see now that this is the transformation. It is looking super clean. I love how it turned out.
Move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Thinking to change this table cooker. I want to change my table. I want to buy a contact paper and change it. What do you think about it? Comment down in the comment section. Let me see your suggestions. Hola my people. My TV stand is like it's peeling. You see the white things there on the TV stand, it's peeling off. Then this is the current station of my living room. I'm going to start by cleaning the table, wiping my sofas. Yeah, let's see what I'm going to do.
I wanna settle down with someone that just know me well. But I got you, babe, and it's all good. Little did I know that you'd be a 10 out of 10. But I got you, babe, and it's all good. Little did I know that you'd be a 10 out of 10. Still wearing all my clothes, even if they're all in wrong size. It doesn't even matter, 'cause you're all I need when the rest of the world is on fire. It doesn't even matter. I want us to be safe, never letting go of your hand. I fell into your fate, this is where I will stay. But I got you, babe, and it's all good. Little did I know that you'd be a 10 out of 10. But I got you, babe, and it's all good. Little did I know that you'd be a 10 out of 10. Still wearing all my clothes, even if they're all in wrong size. It doesn't even matter, 'cause you're all I need when the Tatiana, my favorite person, she's helping me to take the toys from the living room to toys basket. Tatiana, thank you so much for helping Mama. Thank you, my baby Marka, small baby. Mwah, mwah, I love you. It doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. Still wearing all my clothes, even if they're all in wrong size. It doesn't even matter, 'cause you're all I need when the rest of the world is on fire. It doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. If you understand the work that the broom gives you, the kifagio, hiyo kazi inakuwa ngumu. You sweep this side, when you go to the other side, isharusha uchafu. You go, you find the other places, you have split the dirtiness. Like seriously, this one is not a simple work. I'm really working hard. I know one day God will reward me with a vacuum cleaner. I will stop using this broom very soon.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming
Hey, history ya corporate claim inakatizianga the background music that was on this house. I wish ingekuwa tu inasikika. Let me enjoy myself here. You know I'm having a free time. Gonna be dancing.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
Just having fun with my daughter. I love these moments.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the
Entertainment is through. Let us continue with the work. Kama kawaida.
Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a roll.
I'm wiping the TV stand. This place is so dusty. I want to clean to be, at least to look good. You know, Naivasha is a place where dust is all over. Once in the evening, you guys, you can't believe how dusty the town is. But it goes with seasons. It is not all season. There is a season that it will be calm, but there's a season that will be so windy. It goes with season. Yeah, let me clean it. Yeah.
Every day, the past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
Now I want to clean my floor. I'm going to mop it. I'm using this bucket and the mopper. I don't have the bucket of mopping now, so I have to squeeze it using my hands. If you remember this carpet, it was the one from my bedroom. I took it from my bedroom to Tatiana's bedroom. I decided to put it inside this Tatiana's bedroom. Ilikuwa imeraruka kiasi, but nilitoa those parts that zilikuwa zishararuka. I decided to place it inside here, and it is fitting very well. So I will stay with until the day that I will get some cash to buy another one.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
I spread Tatiana's bed early in the morning. When she woke up, I just spread the bed, but I did not film it. But you guys, I'm sorry for that. This is my shoe rack. I have to panguza baadaye, and I have some clothes up there. I have to fold them. Yeah, this is how the room looks like. You know, this motherhood is not pia kakazi kadogo, ni kazi ngumu, ni kujitolea kabisa. This is a view from my daughter's bedroom. Look at the other side from my daughter's bedroom.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Looking for time to remove these stickers from this dispenser. I want it to remain as clean as possible.
While I work, I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can lay down beside you,
Thank you guys for watching, and let us meet on my next video. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe and comment.
if I can lay down beside you.